Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear using application. You have to start by open XIAOMI earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and you have two options how to rename it. You can or scroll down and go to additional settings. Right here we have rename earphones, so you just write the best one for you in this window, or also at the main menu you need to click manage your earphones at the top. Then, if you have iOS, you need to move your device to the left, and if you have Android, you need to press and hold at your device here. So, also if you have iOS, you need to click at this icon, and on Android you will see a line rename earbuds, so you click at this line, and right here the same, we have the same window, so write the best one for you. You can also remove something. I just want to add this text, and the most important is to click rename to save this new name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!